guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Let's Talk today. My name is Jessi, and today we're going to be talking about the advantages of starting your own virtual tax preparation company. But before we do that, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for all of the feedback, the love, everything. I thank you so much. And with that being said, let's talk. So, the very first advantage of starting your own virtual tax preparation company is job security, right? And in a time like this, in the pandemic, job security is everything. Job security is everything outside of a pandemic, but also it's an essential business. And when I say essential business, I mean you're always going to have work. It's always going to be security in tax preparation, because guess what? Every single year you have to file your taxes. And if we've seen anything else, the government is never going to say, hey, take the year off. Because we're in a pandemic right now. They did give us a little leniency with deadlines, but you still have to file those taxes. So job security and it just being an essential business and something that you'll always have, and it will never not be a need for tax preparers, guys. It will never not be a need. So that is the main number one thing, is job security. Also, it's a seasonal position, right? It's a seasonal job where you can earn an unlimited amount of money. You can really do anything with this. You have some people that do taxes during tax season just to have an additional income. You have some people that do taxes and they earn so much during tax season, they don't work for the rest of the year. You also can take this and do it seasonal and grow it into maybe a bookkeeping and tax company as well. It's just unlimited things that you can do with this business, and it's seasonal. It's once a year, guys. So those are the first two advantages. And then the next one is low overhead. Let me say that again. Low overhead, guys. It's no rent, no utilities, no extra computers if you're hiring other tax preparers to work for you. It's very low overhead because everything is virtual. So you just need you basically can do it with your laptop anywhere. And that brings me into my next advantage, which you can work from anywhere, guys. You can work from the bed, from your home, you can work from the beach. Like, really, it's a work from anywhere position because it's all virtual. So, I mean, you can't lose with that. And when you're able to work from anywhere and you're able to earn as much money as you put into something, that gives you freedom. Not only financial freedom, but it gives you the freedom to live your life on your own terms. And that's very, very, very important, and it's very big, guys. My last advantage that I have for you today is something that it's more convenient to the clients. And that's an advantage because it's a customer service business, right? So if you can provide a service that customers are just ecstatic about, I mean, why not? I can't tell you how many of my customers have just said at the end of me filing their taxes, oh my God, that was so easy. This is the easiest I've ever done my taxes. I didn't have to go into an office. I didn't have to wait. I didn't have to do all these things. Everything, I sent it to you. We had a call. We talked about it. You sent me everything. And they did it from the comfort of their own home. So guys, listen, it's not only an advantage to you, it's also an advantage to your future clients as well. And so with all of these advantages, we know that there's always pros and cons to doing anything. So I'm not going to sit here and say, oh my gosh, start this tax preparation company and everything's going to be great, right? No. So with starting a virtual tax company, with starting any business, there's going to be a certain amount of stress involved, because when you make the decision to say, I'm going to work for myself, I'm going to be my own boss, essentially you're making the decision to say you're going to work more, right? And so many people think, I'm going to work for myself, I'm not going to do this, I'm going to work from anywhere, I'm not. No, when you make the decision to work from yourself, essentially you're saying, I'm going to work more. You have to put in way more work for yourself than you did in your 9 to 5 or whatever other job that you had. You have to make the decision. So that is one of the, that comes with it. So stress and just knowing that you have to put in that work. And the most important thing is you have to change your mindset. Whether you decide to start a virtual tax preparation company or any business, the number one thing you have to do is change your mindset. If you don't change your mindset, nothing's going to change. Like I said, you have to make up your mind that you're going to put in more work. You have to be more disciplined with your schedule. You have to be more disciplined with when you're getting up, everything you need to accomplish for the days, making sure you're going out there getting customers, you're calling people, making sure you're hitting all of your goals, everything. It's more work and it's more dedication and it's more time, but it's a bigger reward. You're putting in more work so you can have financial freedom. You're putting in more work so you can work from anywhere. You're putting in more work so your family and your kids can benefit. You can spend more time with them. You are not asking someone else about vacation time or when, asking for when you can spend time with your family once or twice a year. So the reward is so much bigger. It's so much bigger than the work you have to put in. And the work you have to put in, I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot. You're gonna have to put in the work. That's why you have to go ahead and make up your mind. Where at the end of the year, it's time to start making up your mind, of what you're gonna do, what goals you have. We can't wait until next year. We can't wait until January and say, hey, I'm gonna start all this in January. The time is now. The time is now. So with that being said, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you're interested in starting your own virtual tax preparation company, please click the link below and check out my free webinar on how to start your own virtual tax preparation company. If you've already taken the webinar, thank you so much. If you've already purchased the course, thank you so much. I've enjoyed talking with you guys, interacting with you guys, and just getting all that feedback from the course. Guys, check out this course, check out this webinar. Like and subscribe to my channel. Give me any kind of feedback you want. Email me. I've enjoyed, corresponding with some of you guys via email and in the comments, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good time and have a good time. Look, have a good have a good rest of your day. And thank you so much for tuning in to Let's Talk. I'm Jessi and I'll see you next time.